Onyeze, on behalf of myself and my family, we want to say a very big thank you for accepting us and for your hospitality.
Yes.
Thank you. Like I said earlier, my name is Amobu from Umueze village. My son here, James, told me that he found the head of a palm fruit in your compound. He's interested in it and we would like to plug it and take it through with us.
So you want to tell me that my brother here, Eddie, does not know the value of palm fruits?
You see, this particular head of palm fruits is not meant for his consumption.
You have spoken well.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
I have 2 heads of palm fruits. Which of the 2 are you talking about?
Onyeze, or Ifunanya.
Oh. Our Ifunanya. Please. Call Ifunanya.
Oh, okay. Ifunanya. Bekem. Come.
Ifunanya.
Yes, Doctor.
This young man is here asking for your hand in marriage.
I give my consent.
Ya kowala anya ofuma. Ya kowala anya ofuma.
Ifunanya.
Tell us, what do you mean?
I love him, Daddy. I will spend the rest of my life with him.
Congratulations! Hey. Congratulations! Oh! You have chosen well. You have made the right choice.
I'm old now. What can I say? Whooping. Okay, never.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Because of this, we would like to have a list so that we can go back home and then prepare ourselves for the.
My in-laws, you don't worry. Go about the wedding ceremony. I will take care of the kinsmen for the traditional marriage rites. And whenever you have the money, you refund it.
Hey! Now, you will give them.
How do I be chilled?
Thank you very much. My son, my in-law, please, I want you to do me a favor. Take good care of my daughter.
Sure, I will.
Do I make myself clear? Good. Good. Did you hear me?
Yes, I did. You will definitely.
Hey! Come on!
Thank you.
Mama. Now on the wall. Now boy, you here, man. Hey!
What do you mean by that? Eh? Chief, what do you mean by that? Ha! I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Chief, what's the meaning of this? Are you a fool? Yes. How can you give out your daughter in marriage on credit?
My dear, don't worry. I know what I am doing. He must surely refund the money to me.
He must surely refund the money.
Yes.
And if he doesn't refund the money, are you going to pull your daughter out of his house?
No. You see, we had a gentleman agreement. And I know that he is going to do according to his promise.
Oh, really? Well, the important thing here is that you have messed up our daughter's marriage.
How?
You're asking me how? Now James and his people will see our daughter as useless. Like she's not disciplined, like she's just totally useless in this house. And that's why you want to push her out.
No.
By getting her married on honor, credit.
No. No, my dear. That is not true. You see, that young man promised to take care of my daughter and love her. And so I know he must do that. Outside that, it's going to be unacceptable. Yes.
No problem. In which case, I have declared Operation Python Dance in this house. AKA Egweke. You, James and his people, all of you must dance to it. I want you to put it there. Nonsense.
Come on, take it easy now. It's paining me.
Sorry. I like your hairstyle.
Thank you. Baby of the house.
Sis, what do you think about James getting married to Ifunanya?
What is my business? If you ask me, who will I ask? Obasarum. Don't care. I think they both love each other and they will make a wonderful home by the grace of God.
No. What Papa did is height of insult by giving Ifunanya hand on credit. I mean, I'm beginning to think that the accident Papa had 2 years ago is beginning to affect his brains.
God forbid. Happiness. Why are you talking like this? You are supposed to be thanking God that your father is still alive. Despite the doctors predicted his internal injuries could take his life in less than 3 months then.
Hey! Tell me, is brain damage not also internal injury? Why don't your own father give you out on credit? Eh? I mean, I don't blame Papa. I just blame Ifunanya for allowing herself to be used and married out on credit and all that. Eh? Sis, I am beginning to think that Papa has a hidden agenda. I mean, he can't just do that. Nobody does that. No father does that.
Well, your father is a very nice man. The few years I have worked with him as his secretary have proven him to be a really good man.
Shut up! Come on, Shut up! Come! Who even called you in this family matter? Come on, do my house, so. Nonsense. As for me, I think James should give her the respect she deserves. Unlike that, my ex-stupid, arrogant, wealthy husband who turned me Chisom into a punching bag. Sis, Papa may have a plan, but certainly not what this thing thinks. So let's just wait and watch. I hope so. Do my hair.
Be fast about hers and dress my hair. Okay?
In marriage, both man and woman has a role to play.
Shut up!
What I know is that man is very rich. He's not interested in our money.
won't be surprised that when our son wants to refund him his money, he will not accept it. Mark my word, he will not accept it.
9. A wolf na safo.
Nkabura wolf.
I don't just like the idea of him not collecting anything from us. Mba, the bride price is the woman's pride. Can't give me wine free of charge.
Mama. Oh, Ije. Papa. Oboye.
You have one way. Don't worry.
If you are not poor, you won't be reasoning the way you're reasoning. Did you listen to your wife? No, Chere. Did you, by any means, listen to your wife? At times, I begin to even suspect if she's the one that shortens my wrestler in this house.
Eh?
Yes. Because no pugini level. Waga. That man is not a Father Christmas. Papa, it is only a ploy to enslave my brother James forever.
Oh.
Yes! I'm not surprised. Oh. This has always been your way in this house. Each time Oson will say something, you people will laugh over it. You laugh over my suggestions. Until it begins to happen.
Well, nothing is happening. How can you say that our in-law generosity is a ploy to enslave your own brother?
Papa, tell me, how can't I say that? Who has ever done it? Now tell me, who has ever done it? If not those families, their daughters are liabilities to them. They find all means to do away with her.
Mom, you have a point, too. This is exactly what I'm saying.
Papa.
Now you have to do something about this, so.
No, there is nothing to do. Nothing, absolutely nothing to do. Besides, I don't even see any sense in what he's saying. Look, I just think he's just being jealous of his brother James.
It's not true.
He's jealous. Husband, you are jealous of your brother.
It's not true, Nine.
Papa, how can I be jealous of my brother James? How? Why? Have you ever heard in the history of histories? No one see Igbo. Now they jealous of anybody. It's not possible now. Makanebe from only cross on my boundary and call you hitting Kakopa. You want an idea? Eh? I cannot be jealous of my brother. After all, I was the one who was sending money to him when he was in school. No problem. We shall see.
As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing for us to see.
A wolf na safo. A wolf na safo. Oye nwere ntị ya nọrọ.
Oson, help yourself.
Mama Baraji. Mama Baraji. Na mụ na gị si n'ofu ụzọ aga ka isi eche ka nsi eche. If only the sharp. Mama na suspect kwago. Mmesi apụ ije na azụ nje mee. Nne mo. Idi okay. Idi okay. Idi jai. Inwe shake you.
Values nor respects any woman that he did not pay the bride price.
And your husband, Edwin, collected a exorbitant amount of money from Peter's side for Chisholm's bride price. That young man went ahead to spend almost 2 million naira for that traditional marriage. Yet the marriage did not last for 3 years.
Please, I don't even want to talk about Peter's side. That one is a fool. Oh.
The point is, whether a man spend 1 billion naira or 1,000 naira to get married, the wife must be submissive.
Wait. Are you trying to say that my daughter Chisom was not submissive? And that she's the cause of the failure of her marriage? Is that what you're indirectly telling me?
I heard everything.
You heard everything from who?
Your husband, my brother, confirmed it.
Hey! So, he confirmed it. But did you call the technician to find out? So you told your brother that Chisom is the cause of her marriage that collapsed? Are you dumb? Am I not talking to somebody?
What do you want me to say? Huh? Listen, Evelyn. It is too early to make troubles.
Oh, now you don't know what to say. But it's not too early for you to gossip. See, the God that I worship, he will strike you one of these days. As for you and that your stupid brother, look at them. Nonsense. Don't worry. I'm here waiting for you. Agadi now warfare. Of all people to talk about, Agadi, to discuss your daughter with your brothers. Irrelevant people. Scallywags. Nonsense.
My dear, take very good care of yourself.
Okay, sir. No. Remember, you have taken in. So do not overlabor yourself with house chores.
Okay, Mama.
Just do the light ones and leave the rest for your husband.
You're welcome.
Oyibo Pepe. People are ready to go.
Yes, we are ready to go. You almost missed us.
I almost missed you, or you almost missed me.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm here. What do you have for me?
Delson, my husband and I want to get you a job in my father's company.
Yes.
Would you like to work there?
James, have you ever mentioned it to your wife that I, Osonu here, was a very successful businessman in Gabon, and that I was sending you money when you were in secondary school? Have you? I think it's high time you start taking this, so that you start reasoning like a man. Can you a wolf at the wrong man na marriage? Oh,
They, I'm sorry.
I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us aside, amen. If we walk together, amen. We go bump my baby, amen. We go grow and grow together, amen. My baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? Put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart.
Yeah, awesome.
I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Awesome. Would you ever leave this thing for one day? This Indian hemp?
God forbid. God forbid it. How can I deny myself, my body, of what it desires most? Papa Mban.
Oh,
Osando.
Bele yo. You are not getting younger anymore.
Papa, on the contrary, life, they said, begins at 40. So don't worry. Bia mama. Hey. My stomach is dancing. It's warming. For 7:30. 7:30.
7:30.
Biko.
Do about 7:30.
Biko.
7:30.
Nonsense.
About 7:30.
Biko. This brother, they don't understand. They don't know that If not this, I don't know how will I have been coping in this village? A man who was making money in Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, and Gambia, and now in the village. Amabiko, 7:30.
From my brother's house?
Uncle, please go. Which your brother's house?
From my brother's house?
Uncle, go now.
Which your brother's house?
I don't want to push your go.
It is my house.
Which one is your brother's house?
Nonsense. And let me tell you, anytime those idiots that you call brothers come back into this compound, I will deal with them mercilessly. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Are you listening? See, next time they come here, I will arrest them and accuse them of trespassing.
You dare not do that, Evelyn. You dare not.
I do. We don't want to see them in our house again.
What? Will you shut up your mouth?
We sat, deliberated on this matter, and we passed the bill. And nothing will stop us from implementing it.
I said, shut up your mouth, for Christ's sake.
We will not.
What?
Yes, we will not. Next time we see them here, we will so deal with them that they will never forget it.
The house has spoken.
And the eyes have it.
And so shall it be. You're going to those your brothers, right? Scallywags! All of you scallywags. Have you noticed the way they walk? Let's go inside. Ja, 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 ja. She's my daughter there. Well endowed.
My baby. Don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Down. If you leave me, baby, if you leave me, baby, you never do. Don't let me go. Oh, baby, don't let me go. Please don't let me go. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bump my baby, amen. We go grow and old together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? Put us apart, while they're trying to put us apart. I don't know, but your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage must experience a kind of ups and downs, yeah. Ups and downs, yeah. But if we're together, fighting together, we surely succeed. We surely succeed. We're not gonna let them tear us apart. We're not gonna let them bring us down. We're not gonna let them put us to shame. Don't let them put us to shame, my baby. My baby. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. I said, baby, don't let me go. Yeah, you gonna be my baby. Amen. I go be yours. Amen. We go there together. Amen. They no go fit put us asunder. Amen. If we work together. Amen. You go bomb my begin. Amen. We go grow and all together. Amen. My baby. Baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar. Cause I just don't wonder why things cannot be the same. I remember the good days.
Honey.
Yeah, baby.
I want to suggest that since my father gave us a car as a gift on our wedding day, I'm thinking that you should sell your old car and invest the money in block industry.
Why did you say so?
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I did not mean to insult you or something like that. Huh? I was only thinking of how you can expand your business.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
But I think that's a good suggestion. I'll think about it.
Baby, baby, can't you see? I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground.
I least expected you today. I hope there is no problem.
Not at all, sir. As a matter of fact, I came to plead with you to exercise a little more patience. I will refund you the money by the grace of God, let's say by the end of next month.
So which money are you talking about?
Well, sir, I am talking about the money you spent to settle your kinsmen on my behalf as regards to my marriage, traditional marriage ceremony.
You come out of that. That was my token for your marriage ceremony.
Wow. You don't say. Well, thank you very much, sir.
It's all right.
Well, sir, I beg to take my leave now.
Send me word to your wife.
I sure will.
So is the one now driving the car that my husband gave Ifunanya on her wedding day. Mommy, you've seen it with your eyes. It cannot walk. Oh, man walk or don't. Nagini do. Eh? Where is he coming from? Oh, so his plan when he was getting married to her was to dump his own car and then start driving Ifunanya's zone. But he can't walk. She said, get me my phone. I need to talk to Ifunanya.
Mama, I suggest you go to the city and see her one-on-one. I think she's losing her mind to that marriage.
Biko, get me the phone. Hey! What kind of nonsense is this? Hey! Ifunanya. Eh? Have you forgotten where you're coming from? Wait, oh, now I get it. He wants to keep his own property and start making use of my daughter's zone. Mbano man walk. Nah, not getting. Tell him phone now.
Mom, we've seen it now.
Hey, Ifunanya. Wait, are you mad? Eh? Or Puerto Rican madness, Nigerian madness? What kind of nonsense is this? No, there's nothing good about it in the afternoon. Please, just listen to me. Let this be the last time that man will drive your car to this house. Better collect your property from him, your car from him. Do you understand what I'm saying? No, I don't need no explanations. I have given a command and I expect you to follow it. All right? Nonsense.
What do you know sense in the day? It's okay. No, inside, back. Excuse me, let me go back.
Mom, it's okay.
Happy. Seriously, if I'm to say something here, what Mama is doing is bad.
It's not.
Because I don't see anything wrong with him driving that car. After all, husband and wife become one in marriage.
Come on.
Who called you? You're a fool, idiot.
In marriage. What do you know about marriage?
What do you know about marriage? I didn't married before. Come and watch this car. Idiot. I was just listening to so I can hear what you're saying. Fool. I want marriage.
I don't drink water and drop cup in this house. What kind of woman is this?
Why must you drink water and drop the cup? Eh? Why must you drink the water and drop the cup? Are you not ashamed of yourself? If you did not want the money, why did you return it to him? Look at you. Instead of collecting that money from that man and giving it to me, you told him to take it back. Nonsense. You think I don't know how to spend money?
Listen, that young man is our son-in-law. We need to assist both of them. If they succeed, you will also share from the success stories.
Edwin, I am totally disappointed in you. I mean, when you expected to act like a man, a pussy, then you start acting like an ungolo, like a lame man. Anyway, let us see you go out now. I'm standing here.
Can I find my way into the car?
Standard living, standard living. Standard living, sandalele, sandalele, sandalele. Then, my son, I invited you to call your father to order. Everyone, Mama. That one you know.
Mother, it has not come to that.
No. It has come to that, my dear son. Hey, like they say, a stitch in time saves 9. Yes. How can your father take a decision in this house without my consent?
But Mother, he was only trying to help Ifunanya and the husband.
What? Did we beg James to marry Ifunanya? Did we do that? Why should we try to help them?
Honestly, I don't see it as a waste of money. Okay? What he did for them will go a long way in helping James to meet up with his business.
I should have known better. I should have known better. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything good from you. You see, you and your father, both of you are a bunch of idiots. Yes! You're just a chip off the old block. Like father, like son. Beg. Let me browse. Facebook.
Oyeze, we brought this token to thank you and our Lolo for the support you gave to my son and his wife.
Oh yes.
You will live long.
Yes,
Any man, in fact, anybody who says you will not live long to enjoy the fruit of your labor, that person will go to bed before dusk.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise the living God.
Hallelujah.
May the good Lord bind and cast away any evil around us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
On behalf of my handsome husband and I want to say that your family has really challenged us.
But I promise you one thing. We shall retaliate.
It is reciprocate, not retaliate.
Okoro, shut up and mind your business.
Okoro, that's okay. It's all right. Whether it is reciprocate or retaliate, the main thing is our son-in-law surprised us. And definitely we are going to reciprocate his kind gesture. Probably that is exactly what my wife wanted to say. Okay. Please go and get them something to eat.
No. Oh, really? Okay. Ifonanya, Ngwanu, carry the 2 bags of yam that your people brought with the dying Mwakoko and go and prepare maybe insala or something for them to eat. Yes. And when you all are done eating, please call me so I can lock my gate.
Kitchen.
Munyai, Ngwan, Lujiki Jawai idea. We have to eat. We have come a long way. We have to eat. Eh? Munyai, Ulunuchi Jawai idea. One cook for us. Eh? A banquet. You see why I don't like coming to this kind of occasion? You denied me my 7:30. You denied me my Igbo. And you're now denying me my lager. Mbano. Papa, I is Kwajia. Mbachelu Obro called the my Esitia. We must eat this yam and eat this fowl. Can't you see they have rejected it? We must eat it all.
I disagree with you. If you want to know what Osunday is up to, give him money to start up a business, and you won't see him smoking around the village anymore.
You see? At times when Mama talk, if not that she's my mother, I will say she smokes Igbo. Because it's only people who smoke Igbo that reason the way she reasons. I'm all going to Papa, let me tell you. Give me enough money to do my international business. You will not see me here again. I'm telling you. I will move to Gambia, from Gambia to Gabon, where my international business pedigree is standing strong. Again, Papa, you see, the thing is I don't understand it.
See who is talking about pedigree. Pedigree. Do you have any pedigree? Pedigree. What happened to the 200,000 naira that your junior brother James gave to you? You squandered it, no? Pedigree. You squandered it.
Papa, if I squandered the 200,000 like you claimed, it simply means that the money was not enough. It wasn't enough to do the international business like the one I was doing in Equatorial Guinea. Yes! Papa, you do not understand where I am coming from. If you doubt me, go to Gabon, go to Equatorial Guinea, go to Gambia. You will know that your son is a figure.
Oh, when you talk about Gambia, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, in fact, I feel so bad as your father. Your mates brag about America, Canada, Malaysia, Ebere Okaro, and you are here gallivanting and talking about Gambia, Equatorial Guinea. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Toi! Shame on you.
I'm ashamed of you. Small places that are not up to our own village here.
Papa, you're not last.
More.
You're going to buy your last card. Very soon. If we check up.
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow. And no man be God. 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 So you're living your life like say like you got the world. So you making your money then you say when you in charge. No man can be an island. No one can reach alone. Everyone needs someone needs someone.
Oh, good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Ma, please, is Chief inside? He sent for me.
Oh, my impeccable son-in-law. It was the chief that sent for you. I was the one that sent the message. You see, I'm actually going to host the Omwadas meeting, and I need roughly 200,000 naira to entertain them. I'm wondering how much would you contribute towards the whole stuff?
As a matter of fact, I can help with 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira? What am I supposed to do with 50,000 naira? I mean, that's an insult. Do I look that poor to you?
Excuse me.
Anyway, let me have the 50,000 naira.
I am not with cash here. I'll write you a check.
Okay. Go write the check for me.
You like that?
We'll go and get it.
Every good time, there's ups and others. So if you shut on, you want well. What's the point?
Yes, baby.
How could you have given my mother 50,000 for the hosting of a meeting that won't cost her more than 10,000 naira?
No, for crying out loud, she said the meeting was going to cost her nothing less than 200,000 naira.
That is not true. Ever since she began to host Umada, she has never spent more than 10,000 naira.
Well, it's okay, baby. You see, this time, things are very expensive in the market.
Even at that, she won't spend more than 15,000 to host the meeting.
Your family have been very supportive. I have no regrets.
She lied to you. That is why I'm upset.
It's okay.
Who gave you the audacity to stop washing my children's clothes?
Chief asked me to stop washing their clothes. Besides, they are grown-ups.
Shut up! Who are you to tell me that my children are grown-ups? This is the last warning, first and last warning I will give to you. You have to continue washing their clothes, whether they are grown-ups or children. After all, they are my children. Will you get out of here? Hope we head her. That's Ben's home. Let's go. Keep your pleasantries to yourself. Hey, hold it there. Please stop pretending.
How
dare you insult my wife?
Wait up. You raise your hand at her. Touch her. That will teach you a lesson you will never forget. Go where? Look at them. You're not entering my house. Better go back to your husband's house in the city.
My wife is going nowhere. This is my father's house.
You will not go inside this compound. This woman with her long legs is not stepping in here. Better behave yourself, else I'll teach you a lesson. Did I say a lesson? Lessons that both of you will not forget.
Sorry for what? Come, let's go inside.
Go where you want. I said you will not step in here. You want to cross me?
You slapped my wife.
Hey! Hey! I said no, baby. But I love baby. Baby! So what do you want to do? You want to beat me? You want to beat your wife? Hey! Now try it now. Try it. I said no, baby. Please. Let me hear a word. Which one is baby? This old man. This is what have they been calling you baby from when you were young. I breastfed you till you were 5 years old. People were laughing at me, but I kept at it because I knew you were a weakling. Look at you. See your lips. They are still like someone that is still breastfeeding. Ah, obviously, you're getting it from her. But you know what? Both of you will not step your feet into my house. Period.
We shall see.
Nothing will happen.
Yes, sir.
The only thing that would happen is and get out. Yes. Where was it? Ani Walandia Soka. Ani Walandia Soka. It's a beat. Now, Kuno. It's a beat. It's a beat. It's a beat. Every woman, did I not tell you that this this collaborated with my son to throw me out of their house?
Well, you did say so. But you see, two wrongs can never make a right.
Very soon, two wrongs will make a right. See, Edwin, no one steps on my toes and goes scotch-free. I'm bad. It can't happen. Not even my own son. Oh.
I did not collaborate with my wife to bring you back home. I did what I did then because you nearly set my house on fire.
Hey, believe. Nanny, look at yourself. Look at your mouth. Watch your mouth. Can you hear yourself talk? Your own mother nearly set your house on fire. Hey,
and that's fire brigade. Engine Naswas. You put out the fire where?
Fire extinguisher.
Look at you. You don't know anything. There's nothing in this your coconut head. Hi. Hi.
My people, please, let bygone be bygone. Let us learn to love one another. Forgive one another. Please. Ne. Please, let's learn to forgive. Please.
Major, let's love one another.
Please, I'm sorry. Biko, Biko, please forgive me.
Did you call me in?
Yes, sir.
Hey, my daughter. What you did to me is getting married to my son.
Mama, okay, why?
Why are you looking at me?
If you I'm not calling you. I'm not calling bullshit. Let me go get some apple. Empire win. Nano, your son. Son. Natural. Open look at that. Son.
Enough is enough, Eddie. Enough is enough. We will not continue to condone Evelyn insult us again.
Never. Never.
Henceforth, Eddie, henceforth, if she insults us again, we will beat her up and nothing will happen. My brothers, as you know that my doctor warned me not to allow anything trouble my mind. After the fatal accident I had that almost took my life 2 years ago, I have decided to ignore all that Evelyn, my wife, does to me, so as to live long. So please, I want you all to do the same. Because I know that one day, the senses of my wife will come back to her. Please, be cool. Cool.
Eddie, meaning we should continue to allow your wife Evelyn to insult us.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. For the sake of the psychotherapy that my doctor placed on me.
Psychotherapy.
Remember that it was predicted that I would die 3 months ago after the fatal accident I had. Please, my people, forgive her and ignore most of those things she does. Please.
Edwin, we have done that for too long. We have done that for too long. She has taken too much.
Eddie, let me also inform you. If Evelyn should continue insulting us, we will fight back.
Bikono, please. Please, ignore her. Please.
Hey! Those people are fools. Go and tell them that they are fools, big fools. As for me, on a bully I stand. I, Evie, am the one that decides who comes into this compound, who stays, and who leaves. As for you, you're just a mere spectator.
My dear, I am not ready to take this from you. You see, those people are my brothers. And I don't want you to come in between me and my brothers.
Hold it. Hold it right there. Is that a threat or what? Ha! Your brothers indeed. Now let me tell you something in case you've forgotten. Mama. No one, absolutely no one steps on my toes and gets away with it. Better run along and tell them. Nonsense.
What? What? Are you deaf? I said, are you under a curse or are you the cause of your problem?
I don't understand you.
Hey! Osando.
What is your problem?
What is it? Osando, are you not worried that at your age, you are still eating mama tankma in my house? Eh? Are you not worried that your younger brother is now happily married? And you are still here? Are you not worried that your younger brother will soon...
Ah! Is my younger brother the first to marry? Eh? Is the wife the first woman to put to bed? But let me tell you, when I was in Gabon, women were struggling to put to bed for me. I refused.
Hey,
I don't want all these local girls here. I don't want them. I want to marry a foreign babe. Either she's from Gabon, or she's from Gambia, or Equatorial Guinea. You won't allow somebody smoke and keep prisoner.
How about so Equatorial Guinea? My equation Guinea. Hey, Osando, wake up from your slumber. And Anuya, just wake up. You are not getting any younger. You are not getting any younger. Nekwa phone no kona bossy white wash. You know they name nigga. Oh, kwa karanka nigga. What is your problem? Osando, change your condition. Oh, if your condition refuses to change, you force it to change for good.
Yeah, easy. I'm not allowed.
Chisholm.
Sir.
Your father-in-law said he will be coming with his kinsmen to see you on Saturday to plead that you'll come back.
Do you know you're a fool? A big fool.
Evelyn, please mind your tongue.
No. You watch your tongue. In an entity. This scallywag, tiny brat, almost snuffed life out of your daughter. And instead of you fighting for your daughter and trying to kill the man, you're here playing the role of an errand boy. Hey, boy, you're really stupid.
Chisholm, did you hear what I said?
Biko, no. I am done with Peter's side. I'm no longer interested. Biko.
Read it. Awkward again. Blow the belt. She has said it all. So calm down. Stop being boy.
Yeah.
Chisholm, I called you here for something. I called you here for something very important. There's a local parlance that says, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So, I will advise you have a rethink towards your father-in-law's effort in reconciling you and your husband.
Tioba, is this what you called me? Let me ask you something. How many times do you hit your wife in a week?
I have never laid a finger on her before, but that doesn't make me a saint. Oh yes.
Are you done? See, you're just like your father.
Should I swallow my pride and go back to my husband? Or should I just exercise a little patience and wait for the man of my dream? What do I do?
Chiso. Chi?
No.
What is the matter?
Nothing, I'm okay.
You're not okay. Listen, you can talk to me. I am your mother.
I'm just contemplating whether to go back to Peter's side or not.
Hey! Do you know the implication of going back to your vomit?
No.
Hey, Papa, wait. Papa. Those words you and Mama told me the other day, they were very, very disheartening. If not that I have shock absorber, they would have weighed me down. Papa. Papa, let me tell you, truth is bitter, but I'll continue to say it. I'll continue to say it. I'm beginning to suspect these people. I think they are the cause of my being deported from ordinary Gabon. Just look at Gabon. Gabon, oh! You people, no wonder. Eh? In a place where I was known for my business acumen, they deported me. Ordinary Gabon deported me because of you people. Okay? Judgment Day is very close to you. Papa, Judgment Day is very close to you. Don't worry. Jehovah, paratule, parapatule. Okay.
Mom, if Daddy had done for Peter's side and I what he did for Evelyn and the husband during their wedding, Peter's side would have valued me and given me the respect I truly deserved. And by so doing, my marriage wouldn't have collapsed.
What you're saying is exactly the truth. Your father hated you so much, and that was why he ensured that Peter's side paid your dowry to the last kobo.
It's not fair.
I know it is not fair. It's just not fair. How would a man hate his first daughter? But not to worry. You see that your father? He pretends to be the best man, to be the best father in the whole wide world. Meanwhile, he's the worst. Do not worry. I, your mother, I will be your father and I will be your mother. I will take care of anything that you want. Yes.
Mommy, thank you so much. I'm so proud of you and I love you.
I love you more.
You're both the mother and the father to me.
Hey, I will spoil you.
Thank you.
You got that? As a matter of fact, unlike this new pair of slippers that I saw at the shopping mall, I will go pick it up for you.
Okay, Mama.
You got that? Can I step out in style?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Let's not talk about Peter's side again, Pico.
Okay.
Now we should be looking for greener pasture.
Please don't let me go. You go be my baby. Amen. I go be yours. Amen. We go there together. Amen. You know go fit put us asunder. Amen. If we walk together. Amen. You go bomb my baby. Amen. We go grow and go together. Amen. My baby. Baby, can't you see?
Oh, that's me go.
With Mama, Papa and Dos on the phone.
Of course. I will sure go see your father.
Oh, I have forgotten you have an appointment with my father.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, love you.
Osondo. Hi, Osondo. This is 9 a.m. and you're still here drinking. Why? Eh?
Papa, I don't work with local time anymore. This is 5 a.m. in Gabon.
Osondo, do you realize that today is Wednesday and you're supposed to have an appointment with Chief Edwin in his office? Eh?
Papa, you're downgrading me. I'm telling you. My boss, you're downgrading me. Just hear yourself. Chief Edwin's office. Eh? At my level, you want me to be working for another man? At my level, with my international pedigree.
Why no? Osondo, why?
Kanju Kenegi. A wolf on a jukwaga for. Eh? A wolf on a jukwaga for. Hey! Look at you. This same man gave your son a wife for free. You still want this same man to give me a job for free? When has our family become a free town?
Osondo, I still don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand you.
Papa, if I collect that job from that man, I have belittled this family. Yes. I hate to be kicked around like a kid. Let James give me money to start my own business. Yes. After all, I did it for him when I was in Gambia. One good turn deserves another. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. So let James do his own well. C'est fini.
Papa, au revoir. Au revoir.
It's not au revoir.
Papa, wa? Wa can say Igbo. Kicholi ise. Kicholi ise kan ye. Oh, wa. Hey, Oba. Hey, Okaba. Mbago.
Poto Kirin.
Mommy.
Oh, it's good to see you.
Yes, sir.
Hi, my Puerto Rican baby. So, how are you enjoying your marriage?
Yes, Mommy. I'm living in peace with my husband. Mommy, I have no regret getting married to him.
Oh, that is good.
Okay, his car. Mommy, he sold it and invested the money in business.
Hi! Hey, man. Men are terrible. He took over your car so that you will not have any car of your own.
No, Mommy. I was even the one who suggested to him to sell the car and invest it in business.
If Onanya, I am disappointed in you.
How, Mommy?
You've given this man room to triple you. You see, your sisters would not put themselves in that kind of situation.
Mommy, I do not understand your point.
Oh, you don't get my point? Well, I'll tell you what my point is. My point is that you have turned yourself into a housemaid. Look, wising up, oh. Else, that's your husband. And his mother will just finish you in this marriage. Wising up, oh. Hey, on your Chapotokiri, I can't believe you don't have the sense that we are talking about. You need Nigerian sense, oh. Drop this Puerto Rican matter. Ah.
Mommy, this is nice.
This is classic. Classical, very tasty.
Oh, Mommy, if I had not listened to you, hey, I will still be in my Mwekeism, suffering and smiling in ignorance, Mommy. Hey!
Oh, come on, were you not in the village with us? Didn't you see the way I was treating your father, Edwin?
Mommy, don't blame me. I thought you were not being fair to him. And I promised myself that when I get married, I will take a different path. So don't blame me, Mommy.
You got it all wrong. I am glad I am here to put you through. I'll tell you something. You see, men, all men, they are worse than wild animals. Yes. Any woman that thinks she can put her trust in a man is a big fool.
Hi. Yeah, Mommy, you are right. You are right, Mommy.
Didn't you see the way I judged with your father? First of all, I started with Operation Crocodile Smile. Then I moved up to Operation Tiger Pose. And now, I am doing Operation Igweke.
Hey!
Paita dance.
Hey! Mem.
Hey!
Gini gangare morning no house. Hey!
I'm
what I go me.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Welcome, my amiable son-in-law.
Honey, you're welcome.
Thank you. I can see you. You and your mom are having fun, huh?
Yes,
I'm sure, Smil.
Oh, well, sweetie. So why don't you get mine so I can join you in the party?
Oh, I'll be back.
Come on, take it away. Take it away. Whoa.
It's too much. No, leave that. She'll bring yours fresh, the whole pack. Okay. Because of germs.
Okay. Please, who did this?
Enjoy yourself. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
What is the meaning of this?
I can't imagine the kind of soup I will use 10,000 naira to prepare.
Wait a second. My in-law, did you hear your daughter?
Hey. Come okay. He's welcome. You know, this recent time of recession, I mean, what soup would you use just 10,000 naira to make?
Mommy.
At this time of recession? Things are so expensive. Is it?
See, honey, 10,000 is a big money. But it's not big enough to prepare a pot of bitter leaf soup.
Exactly.
Honey, Can't you see that I'm still breastfeeding? So I need to eat to breastfeed our child, our baby, you know.
Good milk. Come on. If you want to make a pot of bitter leaf soup, look, bitter leaf now is so expensive. The good one. You bring it from the village, it's expensive. Then the Eden, oh my God, expensive. By the time you buy azu, you know, the asa fish, and then okporoko, we don't buy the head now. You have to buy the full body. What are we talking about? 10,000 is no money.
Come back here. I said come back here. Where are you going to?
She's getting tougher by the day.
Come back here. What? Come back here. Huh? I said come back here. Come back here. You're going nowhere. James, you're going nowhere.
If liar, in the name of the God you serve and the gods of our forefathers, leave me the hell alone.
In the name of the God you serve and the gods of our forefathers, if you cannot make money 20,000 naira, then go back inside and let's remain there.
Come on. You seem to have forgotten that your wife just put to bed. Stop stressing her, please.
I said go back.
Is this how she has been behaving since you married her?
Well, not exactly. You see, as a matter of fact, it all started after the arrival of her mother.
Excuse me?
Oh.
Do you still love your wife?
Of course, I do.
And you want to be restored to your family?
Sure. Who wouldn't?
Then send my mother back home.
My wife just put to bed.
If your mother-in-law was dead, wouldn't you have taken good care of your wife and your daughter?
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Because you know tomorrow. And no man be God. God. And no man be God. God. And no man be God. God.
Will you get off him? Can you imagine this stupid girl? You're very stupid.
Yeah, Helen, who do you want to hug? This gold digger that married my sister on credit, snatched the car that my father gave to her, and had the thought to throw my mother away out of that mushroom house. Eh?
Did you say mushroom house? Is this even a house? This Nkaku lives in a rat hole.
Hey!
Eh? Can you imagine where he relegated my Onyocha Potokiri to? Rat hole. And as for you, will you get out of here? Shema Pwa!
Shame on you! Mbada, shame on you!
Yeah? Outlaw. You will regret this. Shame on you. Come, do you even know what shame is? No. You don't. Shame on you. Mbada, shame. Yo!
It's all good. Thank you very much for coming to set my house, my rat hole on fire.
Yes. Oh yeah, come and start going. Oh yeah, go now, go!
since her mother has gone back home, she will come back to her senses. Yes, she will.
That family is bad. You see that family? They are very, very bad. And my danger eyes waiting at the sea when I know the CM. That family is bad. That is why the first daughter could not live in the husband's house.
Well, I never had problems with my wife. It was her mother who misled her.
Yes, we know. Now, why are they go? A snake begets a snake. But is she not an adult? Did her mother force her?
Joel. Some people do not have the political will to say no to some certain issues.
So what do you learn from such people?
Nothing.
Stop making noise, can't say anyone else.
Anyways, Papa, I would like Mama to come over for Omugo.
Eh? Omugini? Wait, Mumabu Teresa, come to Omugo. After what you and your wife did to me just last week. Ah, Chenamadu Bewu. Eh? Ichenamadu Bewu. Since you have refused to give your brother money to start up business again, I don't think I am welcome in this house.
Baba, why are you talking like this? No, Baba, I want to. Are you not aware that 2 years ago I gave him 200,000 naira to start up a business? Within the space of 6 months, he came crying that there is no money, no cash in hand, and there is no goods in his shop. Baba, if Osondo does not want a white-collar job, let him remain in USA and live his life the way that pleases him.
Is that so?
Baba, I'm finished.
No problem, I'm leaving.
I'm finished with you, Baba.
Baba!
My friend, will you sit and take your position? What is it? The pluck money, I pluck. Is there a tree at my backyard that I pluck money from? Because he sent me to school, eh? So what?
James, Ichena Madu Bewu. Mba, Ichena Teresa Bewu. Eh? I left your house in anger and you did nothing about it. Not even a dime for transportation. Ah, Seba bro.
What do you expect? Yeah? What do you expect? You see? You and your wicked wife expected Mama to trek from Asaba to Umese. No wonder, very stupid people.
James.
Yes, Papa.
You wronged your mother. You have to apologize to her. Tell her you are sorry. Name Biko. For the sake of the newborn baby, Biko, you have to go. Biko, away.
It's okay, Papa. Papa, I am sorry. Papa, this is yours.
No problem. Go and apologize to your brother.
Okay. I will, Papa. But you people have to tell him to stop smoking that thing so we know who is talking when he is talking. If it's him or that thing he's smoking. Dave, I need to talk to you. Dave, before I went to see my in-law to talk to him about a job for you, we discussed at length, and you gave your consent, you gave your permission to do so.
Have you finished?
Yes. You see, Dave, I am sorry. I was only trying to help.
Help who? Eh? Help who? A woman in labor to push out her baby? Eh? Dear James, do you know how many deserts I crossed to get to Equatorial Guinea? Nyanima. I did not stop there. From Equatorial Guinea to Gambia. From Gambia to Gabon. Here in Umweze, you're telling me about helping me. Me.
They take it easy, it has not come to that.
No, it has. It has. Because you had the guts to insult me. To insult me because of ordinary 200,000. Now tell me, what was the exchange rate of dollar 2 years ago? Bam, tell me. You see? It's either you don't want to tell me or you don't know it. But I will tell you. 2 years ago, official rate of dollar was 160. Black market 205. Ngwaketazi, you now tell me the official rate of dollar now. Wham.
Well, if I must answer, it's between 350, 360 naira to $1.
So you know. You know. And you gave me ordinary 200,000 naira to go to Lome and buy second-hand shoes. This is downgrade.
You see, as a matter of fact, we are not going to dwell in the past. I'm going to ask you this, and I'm going to ask just once. Do you want to go back to your business, or you want me to hook you up with a white-collar job? Which is which?
James, you know what I want. Except if you don't want to obey your conscience.
You will hear from me soon.
Eh? This is soon. I say Jesus Christ. Or Jesus Omunna. Eh? Hey! Chineke na paratule. Asikwangi paratule. Asingi parakere tule.
I will surely call you.
Oh, so because they say Jesus is coming soon, now you are putting me under coming soon, Abi? Every time coming soon, every time coming soon. Mba, Ologa could go now. No more coming soon. It is coming now. At the time, I begin to wonder if you're my brother. I don't know if you're my brother. I would even ask my father this question. He might not be my brother, because if he's my brother, my own blood brother, he cannot treat me like this. Ah. Check and say, hey.
Is her number not available?
She's on another call.
Hello, Mommy. Can you hear me now?
Go ahead, I am listening.
Mommy, James is here with his mother. I'm confused, I don't know what to do.
Hey! Hey! Oh, no, wait. Your husband sent me out of his house so he can bring in his mother, right? Ah! Funanya. I am disappointed in you.
Oh, Mommy, I swear, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to handle this situation, please. Just talk to me. Tell me what to do.
You don't know how to handle the situation. I am highly, totally, and absolutely disappointed in you. You don't know how to handle the situation.
Mommy, okay, I'm sorry. Please. Suggest to me what you think I should do. Please.
What can you do? Now let's see. Ifunanya, I'll tell you what to do. Welcome them warmly. Then cook them a sumptuous meal. And then call me back.
Okay.
Please don't let me go. I go be yours. Amen. We go there together. Amen. They never fit put us asunder. Amen. If we walk together. Amen. You go bump my baby. Amen. We go grow and go together. Amen. My baby. Baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? Put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage, ups and downs, yeah. Fighting together, fighting together, we surely succeed. We surely succeed. We never let them tell us.
Honey, please, I'm sorry. Mommy, please, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma.
How is my baby?
She's fine.
It's okay.
Mama.
Baba, please.
It's okay.
You're welcome. Yes. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Father, just like I told you over the phone, I have a very tight schedule. I am here because I can't afford to be absent.
In fact, we are going to be very brief. It is just a family meeting. We'll be brief.
Okay.
Chisom. Chisom.
Yes, Daddy.
Chisom.
Sir?
Please, tell your mother and Happiness to come.
Father, I think Ofo Mandokoro should be here.
No. In fact, if they come to this place, your mother will eat them. So there is no. My dear, you're welcome.
Yeah, who called for this meeting and what is the agenda?
I am the head of this house. And I am the one who conveyed the meeting.
Okay.
And the agenda is peace must be restored into this family. Yes.
Hey, Eddie. I never had an idea that peace had traveled out of this home. I don't know one. Mommy. Achalugo wine. Mommy. No. Halele. Wow.
What nonsense. What rubbish. How can they walk out on you? How? Papa, is this what you see now?
Please. I need to go and cool off somewhere.
Mother.
What? What is it?
You don't have any reason whatsoever to walk out on him. He's your husband for crying out loud.
Hey! Excuse me. Didn't you hear what he said? Eh? Are you deaf?
But still, you don't have any right to walk out on him. He's our father and he deserves our respect. Yes.
Okay. I will tell you something. You see, I invited a man of God into this family to pray against Ofoma and Okoro. And what did your father do? He refused. Blatantly refused to join in the prayers. What would you call that?
So, you invited a white garment prophet without father's consent. Secondly, the so-called man of God has no fact to prove that Uncle Ofoma and Okoro are evil.
Look at you. If you were not supporting your father, I would have been disappointed. But let me make something clear to you. A prophet is a prophet. Whether a white garment church prophet, or black garment church prophet, or prophet without slippers, prophet with shoe, prophet without ola, whether the church is high, whether the church is low, a prophet is a prophet. And your father should have stayed and listened and joined in the prayers. Please, let me tell you, I don't really blame you. You're just towing your father's line. I can't believe I gave birth to you. Without Wobinina. You're nothing. But then again, it is my fault. 5 good years.
Mother, you're not going anywhere. You must stay in this meeting. It's a must.
Okay. You've spoken, sir. I surrender the car keys.
Where are you going? Mother, come back here. Where are you going? Come back.
It's okay now. I'll beat you.
Let's see, now this I'm going to win. I think it's like the last time.
You win me.
Guys.
I have come to have a word with the both of you. Please hear me out.
Okay. Please be fast with your word, because we're in the middle of something.
Okay. I have come to beg you to cue into Papa's peaceful solution in this house. There is really no gain living at war with one another in the same house.
Hey, please hold it there. Since when did you start interfering in our family matters?
Look at this tart, this fool. Look at this imbecile. See this Mbweke. So because you're your father's secretary, you think you're now the secretary of this house, Abi? Eh?
Imagine that. No problem. No problem. It's because we're giving you long rope. That's why you now have the cost to be saying things you want same time. You just be doing cha all the time. No problem. No problem. But henceforth, we will make sure we put you in the place where you truly belong in this house.
Come,
imagine?
Get lost. Come, who even brought you into our family matter? Eh? As what now? A second wife of here? I'm sorry.
Come on, get out. Can you imagine? What audacity, what nonsense. Let me come back here. Have
I'll catch you some more. It's just some more. Check off.
No, wow.
Don't mind her. Please don't talk too much.
Don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Down. If you leave me, baby, if you leave me, baby, what you never do. Don't let me go. Oh, baby, don't let me go. Please don't let me go. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and grow together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? Put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know, but your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take.
Hey, Nne, your food is ready. Happy happening in a back, Nigerian, no?
It took you 5 hours to boil men rice.
Excuse me.
Shut your dirty mouth. If you do not know why you are here, ask your stupid son.
Get
out of my face, woman!
Chineke me. Ifunanya. Imuma. Eh? Kono cha basiri ganya. Nke ni mara zonyi na agwa ifa. This is your mother-in-law before you. I'm the one you are talking to. Eh?
God will punish you for things.
Eh?
Dear, Wanya, which water did you use to boil this rice?
Is that how you address your own mother?
Don't refer to my mother like that. Don't.
Then you should learn how to address me.
All I ask is that, why did you not use bottled water to cook for me?
Why bottled water? No, tell me. Is the water in the tank not clean enough for me to cook for you? Hey!
You don't talk back to me like that in my house. See, woman, if your purpose of coming here is to kill me, I want to assure you that it won't work. Instead, your stupid son will take your course.
We go bomb my baby, we go grow and grow together. My baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the lie, the lie. Because I just want to I remember the good times. We used to be, you and I together. Why can't we just find a common ground?
foolish idiot. If you want to destroy this marriage, I will help you to do so. I have nothing to lose. Instead, I will gain a lot more.
Evelyn, what has happened to you? No, tell me. Where did I get it wrong? Have you forgotten so soon how lovely it used to be between us?
Enough of that trash. You sent my mother back to the village and brought in your mother, and you expected me to be happy. Isibuomege. Amame.
Well, as a matter of fact, our family was at the verge of collapsing. And as the man of this house, I discovered the source of our problems was your mother. I had no other option but to send her back in.
James, if you want peace to reign, let the merry-go-round.
How do you mean?
Send your mother back to the village. Send her away.
That is not true. Never. You are not in the position to determine how long I shall spend in my son's house.
James.
Oda Mama died and said,
James! I don't want to repeat myself. Send your mother back to the village. Today.
Mama. Wakwa. Uda. Pack up.
Wait, James. Are you saying that your mother should leave your house just because of this thing?
English and Enigma. Kwako, Uda, pack up.
My decision is final. And there is no going back.
I said, baby, don't let me go. Yeah, you go be my baby. Amen. I go be yours. Amen. We go there together. Amen. You never fit put us asunder. Amen. If we walk together. Amen. You go come my baby. Amen. We go grow and all together. Amen. My baby. Baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar, the liar. Cause I just don't want to
Where do you start?
Singing it. I'm it, Kijinaka.
Yeah, that's it,
A worthless little girl forced you to cut short your mother's visit, and you went ahead and obeyed her. Hey! James.
Well, I'm not afraid of Evelyn. She's my wife. And I cut short my mother's visit because I want peace to reign in my house.
James, as the head of the family, you are bound to make decisions and you stand by it. You don't allow any woman, not even your wife, to stop whatever decision you have taken.
Papa, Papa James Olusugo. He has lost it. As far as this marriage is concerned, James has lost out.
That is a lie. I am still in charge.
You are not in charge. I put it to you that you are not in charge.
And I put it to you also that I am in charge.
How dare you go? You're not in charge. Let me tell you, if Unanya has taken over the midfield, do you understand me? She has knocked over go. You who is supposed to be the top striker in our base go. Let her go. I'm telling you, to the extent that now, if they stand you before a post, man, it won't say. I'm telling you. In fact, let me tell you something there. Bros, Wake up from your slumber now. I'm telling you.
James, I know that you and your wife, you are learning to know each other better. Man, as a man, you don't allow a woman to override you. You are a man, no? As a man, you must stand there.
Papa Kangwai, let me tell you something. Papa, James say now. Ochikono. Mana wagina.
No, Papa, do you know the most amazing thing here? An unmarried man is advising a married man.
Italia, let me tell you, Papa, I am the main married man. You know why? You know Igbo as one, Papa got teaching. I said it before they got married. That Chief Edwin's generosity was a ploy to enslave my brother. Nobody believed me. Today, haven't I been proven right?
God forbid.
Haven't I?
God forbid.
God forbid what? As far as I am concerned, there is nothing left for God to forbid. You threw your mother out of your house just to avoid being called an ingrate by your father-in-law.
Well,
Have you taken time to ask yourselves why their first daughter left the husband?
It's all right. It's all right. Let us not overflow the issue. Okay? Now, James, you have to go and do the needful. Name, forgive him.
I am totally disappointed in Ifunanya. I am.
Happy Ifunanya. Don't overflow this issue, no, eh? Leave Ifunanya alone. Don't let us overflow it. Eh? Biko. James, please, do the needful. You're a man.
Dianyo, Nkembukwa, I was in a defense. Go and liberate yourself from the shackles of marital slavery. Biko apuzino that canopy.
Mama. Lily, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Congratulations, my lioness. You have done well. I am so proud of you.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, it was not an easy battle at all. But Mommy, thank goodness that I was able to prove to her that I'm in position to determine whether she will stay in this house or not.
The daughter that acts like her mother. That is what you are. You are a true ambassador of this family. And I am proud of you. Tulugo, Nwam, Tulugo.
Thank you, Mommy. So, Mommy, when will you visit us again?
Let's see. I'll visit pretty soon.
Okay. I'm expecting you.
All right. See you soon, dear. Bye.
Love you, Mommy.
James.
Yes, Chief.
As a matter of fact, marriage is not a bed of roses. Every man has a story to tell about marriage. But if you look unto God, the Almighty God, especially in times of trouble, you will enjoy the fruits of perseverance. You see, a good number of married men do not have patience. And so they dived into divorce. But your case will not be like this, in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen, Chief.
You see, my son, marriage has no pattern. Do not compare yourself with others. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Chief.
Good. I am going to speak to your wife. And I'm very sure that she will come back to her senses.
Yes, Chief.
Good.
Thank you very much.
My dear.
Excuse me, Chief.
Yes.
The dining is set. You may not come in at 8.
Okay. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Come on, boy. Let's go and have something.
Thank you very much, Chief. I am not hungry.
Oh, no. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Chief, I'm not hungry. I beg to take my leave, sir. Thank you very much for the hospitality.
Well,
I appreciate it.
If you insist, my son.
Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Where is this? Where is he now? Calm down. He will surely pass here on his way out.
Good afternoon.
And what is good about the afternoon?
Especially when his heart is filled with hatred and pretense. You're greeting your number one enemy. Why?
My father spent so much to sponsor your wedding, and all you could do is to turn my sister into a housemaid without a swag.
Oh, without swag. Eh?
It is not like that.
Oh, shit. How is it like, Mr. Complainant?
Look at you. A workman, always running with his tools. Listen, we'll deal with you in a way you never forget yours. Come.
Tell him.
Gini ko yidu.
Check it out. Is it gold?
Man, best.
Romanian gold.
Oh, God. Look, you see that car you parked outside? It's high time you stop driving it.
Wow.
Because that car belongs to my sister.
Yes.
Okay?
It's the shame. You're shameless. Do you even know the meaning of shame?
No.
Can you define it?
No.
I'm actually here for peace.
Peace! Hey! Peace in the more. Peace you walk.
Please do one door. Oh yeah, come and start going now, bed.
Go.
Yeah, walk him. Go.
Go now. Go.
Go now.
Back and go. Oh, you are here. Come when you're in the gate. Go. Back and go. Hey, back and go. Yeah. Hey.
My dear, have you ever thought of the implication of having a second divorce in this family?
Of course I have. And the implication is that 2 lives will be saved.
And what do you mean by that?
Edwin, are you not aware of what Peter said did to your daughter? He almost sent her to an early grave, which now forced her to come back to her father's house. Have you forgotten?
You are talking about Chisom. What about Ifunanya, your daughter, whose husband has been taken care of, and the marriage almost collapses?
Aha! Now you contradict yourself. You said the marriage is collapsing. If he was really taking care of Ifunanya, would the marriage be collapsing? You think I'm a dunce?
I want to tell you of a truth. James said that it was the very first day that you stepped your feet into that house that you brainwashed Ifunanya. And that has been the problem.
Hey! My own husband has condescended so low. So low! So you sat with James and you were gossiping about your wife. It is okay. It is okay. I don't even care what you people want to say. You and James. I have no time for you.
Listen. You have to call your daughter to order, please. Call her to order. Because if anything goes wrong in that marriage, my dear, I will hold you responsible, honestly.
I don't even know why I'm sitting here listening to
Please call your daughter to order. Call her to order.
James. Yes, Papa.
How did it go?
Well, Papa, he sympathized with me and he also said that he's going to talk to Ifnaya on my behalf. And hopefully she will come back to her senses. Yes, Papa.
Asanu, sit down. Where are you going to? Sit down.
Just imagine, he wasted fuel to Amodu to listen to nonsense. Isn't that stupidity?
But what did you expect Chief Edwin to do? He was not responsible for the daughter's health.
He shouldn't have done it in the first place. He shouldn't have done. He is old enough, matured enough to decide for himself whether to continue with the marriage or not. What's all this?
That money you wasted
would have been enough for 3 jumbo. Ebere Okaro. Can't you him?
But we all agreed that he should go in the first place.
Papa.
Mommy.
Don't insult me now. What have I done to you? Don't insult me. I've received enough insult from this my stupid brother.
He's not stupid.
Mama?
He's still your father.
7:30.
Papa, what does it mean by 7:30?
Food. 7:30 in the AM. Breakfast. 7:30 PM. Dinner. You're about 7:30.
Okay, you're about 7:30.
I swear, man, I'm innocent.
You're innocent. Now tell me, can the cockroach be innocent in the gathering of chickens?
No.
Let me tell you, next time you see somebody's husband, you will run 440. According to Zebrodaya, whoa.
What is that? Mommy, flog this girl.
Stop this rubbish. Stop it.
This girl is a prostitute.
Drug what?
Yes, prostitute. Oh, wait. You think I don't know that you've been sleeping with this girl? Eh? Oh, because I've been calm and quiet. You think I don't know?
I beg your pardon.
You beg my pardon. As for you, let me warn you. Eh? Next time I see you near my husband, I will send you to the great beyond.
Evelyn, you are pushing me to the wall. You are.
Come on, girls.
Will you swear to us that you've never seen Helen's nakedness?
What?
Swear now.
Oh, wait. Have you seen the way she swings her hips when she's carrying his briefcase to the car?
Yes,
Nonsense.
Yes, swear. Yes.
Come on, girls.
Listen, don't worry. She's leaving this house now. She's leaving this house today. And you will stop her all the work. Doing the work in this house. Don't worry. Get up. Get up. Get up. Sorry, get up. Get up. You are leaving this house now. You are leaving this house now. You are leaving this house right now.
Come here.
My daughter, I am your father. I will not fold my hands and watch a man or a woman trample on your rights and privileges. James has not done anything wrong to you.
Daddy, one who wears a shoe knows where he pinches most.
Now tell me, what has James done to you?
Oh, Dad, he's authoritative. As far as he's concerned, a woman should not utter a word in the family or society at large.
That is not true, my daughter. That is not true. Your mother came in here to brainwash you. But I want to advise you, my dear daughter. You have to purge yourself of the wrong knowledge that your mother imparted on you.
Dad, are you supporting James or what?
I am not.
But you are.
No. Listen. I mean good for you, my daughter.
Dad.
Listen to me, listen to me. Listen to me and listen carefully. You have to protect your marriage. I don't want the mistake your elder sister made in her marriage to repeat in your home.
Dad, I swear, if I leave this stupid house today, a man who will love me will come to you and ask for my hand in marriage. So just forget James, please.
My dear, not all that glitters is gold. A bird at hand is worth 10 million in the bush. You need to protect your marriage, my dear. You need to. Go and call your husband for
Baby, can't you see? They're trying to put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route.
my dear, get me a glass of water.
Ups and downs.
I have spoken to your wife. Listen to me, my dear. You have to be patient. You have to be patient with your wife. She's a woman. I know that one day she will come to her senses.
Yes, sir.
That's all right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, my dear. Now, to the both of you, this family cannot be better than what both of you want it to be. Please, try and protect your marriage. Do not listen to anybody. Listen, be a good husband, and you be a good wife.
Yes, Daddy.
Let us pray.
We go walk together, amen. We go bump my baby, amen. We go grow and come together, amen. My baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar, the lie. Cause I just wonder why things cannot be the same. I remember the good days, I remember the good times. It used to be you and I together. We fight and make up, we pour and make up. Why can't we just find a common ground now? Tell your mother, leave us alone. Tell everybody, leave us alone. I wanna help you, just by my side. And anybody when the light come to the riverside, you go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us in something, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and go together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see?
Ah! Edwin, you left the comfort of your home to go and meet that tiny, teeny, weeny little brat to beg him not to return your daughter to you. Ah, that's the most ridiculous thing I've heard in ages.
Oh, Daddy, I swear, you know the measure up at all.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! Close those your dirty lips. What do you know about marriage? Eh?
Hey, I know I'm not married. But at least I have a boyfriend now. Daddy, common sense would have told you that James needs, if my mother, she needs him. But I don't understand you. Sometimes I don't understand how you reason at all. You just ask anyhow, do anyhow. I don't understand, but you can do anything. Mommy, I think you can handle this. Just...
Don't forget you are speaking to your father.
Opo Fandiasu. Do you know that when they call Opo, or when they call fishes, Opo Amaputa, I'm number one. Opo Fandiasu. You're not ashamed of yourself. At your age, at your level, you do not know that he that pays the piper dictates the tune. Let me tell you, James should be the one coming to this family begging.
You are entitled to your own opinion. You see, I am just coming from the city. I went to talk to my daughter and her husband so that they will not separate.
You went to the city. You actually visited the city, right?
You will do a whole lot of good if you allow Ifunanya to go on with her husband.
Wait, please. You left the village to go to the city. So you like going to the city. Yet you left the city and came back to this village and put up this mansion for me. Agadi na wofe. Ojido for na wakasi. Mr. Ogogo. Now, let me tell you something. The gods, that your mouth, they will scatter it like Tubantaya. Trust me. Yes. You have gone to go and bring a small boy. Not to return your daughter to you. Because you don't know the value of your daughter. Every I'm a chipon me na pity fe na pito. Maka no one call day. You got to go. Hey!
Not so fast.
What is it again?
You see that car out there? My father bought it for me and not for you.
Meaning
you're not going anywhere with the car.
We both agreed, right here, to sell my own car and invest the money in my business. We both agreed.
My friend, that agreement was in the time of ignorance. You understand? Please, give me the key and stop wasting my time. Because
I do not have strength for your troubles. I have an appointment and I'm late already. So if you don't mind, Simulu's up.
Hey! Come on, stand there. I swear you're not going anywhere with the car. You are not!
And I swear you will regret this action.
Anyway, you're a fool. And a fool at 40, they say, is a fool forever.
The wife of a fool is also a fool.
You're an idiot.
The wife of an idiot is an idiot.
I don't have it.
Give me.
I said it! Leave me alone!
Leave them!
I'll put my mother! I'll put it to my mother! Hey! I'll put it! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me
destiny. We entwine them together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage must experience a kind of ups and downs, yeah. Ups and downs, yeah. But if we're together, fighting together, we will surely succeed. We will surely succeed. We're not gonna let them tear us apart. We're not gonna let them bring us down. We're not gonna let them put us to shame. Don't let them put us to shame, baby.
Brother, when last did you visit home?
I just came back from the village a few days ago.
Wow, so how is everyone at home?
Oh, they're okay, they're all fine. How's your husband gone? Gone out for work?
Oh yes, he just missed him by whiskey. He said he's expecting a lorry load of cement today.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Oh, mommy!
My darling daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Mommy, you're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
Mommy! Mommy!
Hey.
Give me your bag, mommy. Give me your bag.
Thank you.
Good day, man.
Papa, what is good about the day? When I said,
Ifunanya! Ifunanya!
Ogini! Ogini! Why are you calling Ifuna?
I want to speak with her.
Why would you want to speak with her? About what?
Is she not my sister again? Can't I speak with my sister? Can't I discuss with her?
So after the shouting, what next?
Mama, if you don't want me to discuss with my sister, I will leave. No problem. But if anything should happen to their family, I will hold you responsible. Jesus Christ.
What do you mean by that?
If you ever raise your filthy hands on me again, like what I will do to you.
If you ever talk to me in that manner again, I will slap you and slap you and slap you all over again. Yes.
We shall see.
We shall see.
We shall see.
We shall see.
The big bear.
James, my man.
Bear,
James,
my
man.
brother, did you finally talk to her? No, I couldn't discuss with her. Why? My mother is in there with her.
Blood of Zachariah.
Are you not aware that she's coming?
No! Nobody told me anything. Nobody did.
Jesus. Listen, let me tell you something. Don't allow her stay one day in your house except you want her to destroy your
Asik! I'm not Asik, big lie.
My in-law, wait on.
If you listen to him, you're a fool. That's for you.
Mama?
As long as my daughter stays in this house, no mortal will stop me from coming to see her. Except she says so.
Muki Botai.
Wait. Please calm down.
Just allow me to finish her up. Allow me to deal with her.
No, Ben. She's still your mother.
Okay, please.
Deleju. Calm down. Take a deep breath. Calm down. Yeah, calm down. Take it easy. Take it easy. She's still her. See, she's still your mother. Babe, she's still your mother, and I apologize on her behalf. Okay? Okay? It's okay. I'm very sorry. Hey. And I'm finished. I'm finished. I am finished.
Deus ando,
No! James, no, it cannot happen. It cannot happen. Hey! No, Mbano. No. My brother, it cannot be used as a goat. No. I must see James, I must see James. Hey. My brother cannot be used as a goat. It's not possible. Hey. Chineke.
Yes, I'm almost home. Okay. I know.
Take care of my son.
Yes. Okay.
Evelyn. Hey, Chisom. Thank God I saw you.
Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
See, I've been wanting to see you. Is there a problem?
No problem. There is this important thing I want to discuss with you. See, my daughter, I want to state categorically that the glory of every woman is in her husband. Yes, and in that same vein, the beauty of every woman radiates more when she is living with her husband than when she is living with her parents. Yes.
Your point exactly?
Hey, Ibia. My point is that I want you, Chisom, to go back to your husband. Yes, that is where you belong. You don't belong in your parents' house.
Bia, Ugonwa. Did Peter Side send you to me? Or you just came here on your own to remind me of my mistake?
Hey! Remind what? No! How can I come to remind you of your past? See, I did not come to remind you of your past. All I came to let you know is that there is no successful marriage on this planet Earth without challenges. Cha.
Enough!
Ewo. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Chisom.
Excuse me.
Mama,
Honey?
Mama, someone has been knocking.
Is it not that your stupid husband? What's that? He's standing out there with some stranger.
I thought it was someone else.
What was that? I'm hearing some noises inside the house.
I'm sure it's the television.
I'm sure of the voices I'm hearing.
Okay, give me a second, okay? I'll be with you.
You and your wrestling.
But did you see that?
Yes, sir.
You need to watch things like this. It teaches you how to defend yourself. Defense, right?
What is going on here? I've been out there knocking for a long time and none of you guys come up with it. What is happening here?
Okay. Is that why you want to cry? I peeped through the window and I saw you and a total stranger. How can you come to the house with a stranger, exposing your wife to danger?
Baba, did you or did you not call me this scorching afternoon to tell me that the AC in your room suddenly stopped working? That I should get you a technician? Did I do anything wrong by coming here with a technician?
Well, one can stop shouting at me. Yes, you did. You could at least have called your wife to tell us that you're coming with a technician. Onaba, that's what you should have done. Instead of just bringing a total stranger that will now look at your lovely wife, that tomorrow when you're gone, he might come back to look at her again and you never know what will happen.
Are you joking me? Are you serious?
Very, very, very. Otwana. Hey. Anyway.
It's right there. Yes, come inside. This way.
Yeah, what? You don't know how to come back here. You don't know how to greet people.
Good afternoon.
Yes, the room.
Good afternoon.
Hi, that's it. That's it. Hey!
My beautiful wife. Oh, please, I can't find the AC in your room.
Ask Mama.
Mama.
Is your wife's room a dumping ground? Eh? Anyway, the AC is junk. So when the dustbin people came, I handed it over to them. Refuse collectors.
Mama, sorry to interrupt you, Mama. With all due respect, I only asked for the AC in my wife's room.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your wife gave you a brand new baby. What brand new thing have you bought for her in appreciation for giving you a baby? Or Donelia, leftover AC that the white man you served 15 years ago dashed you. That's what you left there. You should be ashamed of yourself, and you are an ingrate. You are an ingrate.
Baba, you called me personally to get a technician to work on the AC, didn't you?
If I called you personally, so? That was hours ago. And you're just coming. You're just a lazy man.
Please, this way. Yes.
Nonsense. AC of 15 years ago. McDonald's on your chada shigi. People who put in your wife's room. That gave you lovely baby. Nonsense. I thought you were wise. I never knew you were an empty vessel. It will be resounding. You've been going around complaining to everyone that came to listen about your wife.
I never complained to any outside.
Oh, shut up, my friend. You are a liar. You reported me to my father and also to my brother.
Oh, maybe he doesn't realize that both of them do not belong to your nuclear family. Anyway, now let me teach you something. Like I keep saying, you're just an empty vessel. I don't know where you found this fool, but let me tell you that the peace of a family falls in the hands of the man. It is the man that brings peace in his family. And if you're not ready to keep the peace in your family, then my Ronyo Chapotokiri will help you destroy your marriage in a very interesting way.
But tell me where I went wrong, and I will apologize.
Why is it that every time I talk to you, you want to start crying? Are you a cry baby? Oh, now he's not crying. He's puffing. He's trying to hold the tears.
just for you. Baby, don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Down. If you let me, baby, never do. If you leave me, baby, what you never do. Don't let me go. Ah, baby, don't let me go. Please don't let me go. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and grow together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? Put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know, but your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage must experience a kind of ups and downs, yeah. Ups and downs, yeah. But if we're together, fighting together, we shall succeed. We shall succeed. We're not gonna let them tear us apart. We're not gonna let them bring us down. We're not gonna let them put us to shame. Don't let them put us to shame, my baby. My baby. Don't let me go. Baby, don't let me go. I said, baby, don't let me go. Yeah, you go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and all together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar, the liar. Cause I just wonder why things cannot be the same. I remember the good days, I remember the good times. It used to be you and I together. We fight and make up, we quarrel and make up. Why can't we just find a common ground? Tell your mother to leave us alone. Tell everybody to leave us alone. I wanna help you, just by my side. And anybody when the light come, get head to the riverside. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never feel put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and grow together, amen. My baby, baby, can't you see? Don't bring us down. You never let them put us to shame. Don't let them put us to shame, my baby. My baby.
How's it, baby?
Nice. Where did you buy it?
My customer at a junction. Yeah, vitamin C, very good. Good for the system. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. The vitamin C is very good for the system. Yes. Hang on, I'll be there. Oh, yeah?
James,
you're welcome. You go.
beautiful house.
You're welcome also.
James.
Good afternoon.
Ifunanya, there is no title in that afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
More like it. Good afternoon. How is Amarachi?
Her name is not Amarachi. Her name is Treasure.
Amarachi? Treasure? She can bear both names. James! James! Hey! Hey! Tancho Okaro.
Sorry.
Right. Hey!
Dear son,
James,
I know you are upset with my wife.
Were you not there? Were you not there? Didn't you see how she hurled insults on me? Heaped insults on me.
She made a mistake and she apologized.
No, it was not a mistake. It was a deliberate act. She did it deliberately.
Do. I apologize on her behalf. Because Dajo,
I came here for two missions. One, the money you promised me. Achọrọ m ka iro ji ham the money. Nkata akpalakpa bụ isi ka eji ekwe ya. Second, I had a very terrible dream concerning your family. So I have come to keep vigil in your house with my Ike. Ife nganese here bụ jumbo size. Imana ama m na enwero na Igbo na-achụ ajọ mmụọ. So abịa m ka nchụsisi all the ndị ajọ mmụọ niile. I want to chase away all the cankerworms, demons, name it. On the Arab and they see everybody out. Because they cannot kill my only brother for me. I can't agree.
dear son.
Jello? On they also somebody in there. Make mistake. That is why you always making mistake. Because you don't smoke this. Listen. By the time as I am here now, be rest assured of your safety. Osondo to go. By now, just smelling my odor. I'm an hakuga Joseph. Fagana Wajaketa, Makanaman, Fama, if I'm a hingy bata. But it will only cost you. Ibongu. Ibazoro Mafia. Yotago? Ibongura, Ibazoro Mafia. As for the money, Da, how far? Rojame.
The money I promised you will be ready for you by the end of the month.
Ọ na-abụ ndị Igbo si na esibe eghereghe onye ọbịa anọla anaghị na I have come. Ọsọ ndụ adịje transfer. Egwunyego m igwe ilo. You must roja me.
End of month to be ready for you.
Udo?
brother. Good morning.
This car looks like it hasn't been washed for quite a long time.
Well, brother, as a matter of fact, my wife just released the keys to me this morning.
What?
Brother, you know this car as a wedding gift from my father.
And so what? Are you not the husband? Hey!
Brother, but...
What's it?
She's coming.
Two good heads are better than one. Help your brother to wash the car.
Wait, fool!
It won't take anything away from you. Come, James. Your brother is too pompous. I won't take this from his house. I won't take it from him. Talk to him, oh. Ha!
He's my older brother. How on earth do you expect my older brother to wash my car?
Your car?
Our car.
Better. Not even our. It's my car.
No man can be an island. No one can go with alone. Everyone needs someone. Someone needs everyone. Cause the world we're living in is a family. And no matter where you there, who you be, or what you get. Mellow. I say mellow. Look like a shovel. And no man is God. God. And no man be God. And no man be God.
See, I'm not afraid of our parents. I am not! As long as I am in this house, tell her to stay away from me, because what I will do to her, she won't believe it.
My wife didn't mean to insult you. She was only joking.
Don't talk that trash. Nah, go wrong with that thing here now. Come on. What are you talking? Eh? What are you talking? Your wife derives pleasure from insulting people, but not me. Not me on Sunday.
That is not true. They also do. I disagree with you.
I am not surprised. You're on a medical siege based on your utterances. But my advice, start saving money for her burial. Because I on Sunday will beat her to death. And just say Igbo. Can't say Igbo.
James. Hey, my friend, look at me. What is the matter?
My brother is not happy.
Oh, of course. A man at his age who is not sure of redeeming his wasted years ought not to be happy.
That's not the point. You just sit down, let's talk. Come sit.
I'm working on television. Bia also, ego na war also. I was not responsible for your wasted years. And so any day you raise your filthy hand against me, I swear I will break your head. If you do not know who my mother is, go to Amud and ask of Evelyn. Stupid man, at your age, you are not married, yet you are not worried.
So, Mwa, Oson do a week. This mommy water, Neselanya, stood in front of me and was ranting, talking nonsense. Can this idiot do this in Umweze, my village? Adomia, Eliemia Kago, I'll chew her, I'll pieces her like a lion. Hi. What nonsense. Can she even do this in Gabon? She can't even try it in Equatorial Guinea. Are we talking of Gambia? My girls will tear her into shreds. You think your mommy water, Abi? Idagye, because Namu Abu Papi water original. Papi ocean. Papi neme ife niile. If you look at Papi water na esibo or ifembo, I am all in one. I am a beast. Biegaka. It's a black.
James. Say good afternoon.
Are you back?
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I had wanted to discuss with you. So please sit down, let's talk.
Let me just drop this file aside. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Udo?
Right. Hey. Wow. He's sleeping. How is he? Oh, shit. Come on, let me drop my file. Who brought this into my house? I'm talking to you. Who brought this into my house?
I swear it's not what you think, guys. I swear, it's not what you think. I'm sorry.
Yeah, James. You mean you found this in your room?
Yes! Yes! Can you imagine? Okay, red! Not even the black one, red! Okay. Okay.
Bia. It's the dream! If I Onye sinigbo adaluolo. You see, this is why I've always told you to smoke Igbo so that you will wisen up and be seeing things. This is why they call me Ganja Prophet. You see it? Along, this is the reason why I have come here to see you. I told you that I have a mission, and one of the missions is the dream. That I had a dream about your family. You see that? This is exactly what I saw in the dream. That your wife will cut off your head with a machete.
Hey!
You see? Hey! When I smoke ganja, you people will think I am a flame. Igbo na alu Igbo na alu Igbo na alu Igbo na alu Sebi Igbo.
What is that?
You see, this is exactly what I wanted to tell you when you came back. When I told you I wanted to discuss with you. But you listen to me.
So do you, prophet?
Add it, ganja prophet. If you don't say ganja prophet, it's not complete.
Ganja prophet.
That is it. Ganja prophet.
So do.
You see, she would have been waiting for me to leave. One name.
Listen, my brother-in-law, because I'm just James. I swear. How would I kill my husband? I never wanted to kill him.
But don't you see, is it okay?
Okay, it was you I wanted to kill. No, it's me. I wanted to kill all these witches and wizards that used to fly at night. Yes.
Say I failed.
I failed.
You have failed.
Yes, I'm the failure.
You are a failure.
Yes.
You have failed.
Yes.
And you continue failing.
Yes,
you have failed.
Yes.
You cannot get me. This is what your mother planned. But I did what? I jumped and passed.
Yes.
And you, I have already what? Jumped and passed you.
Yes.
I'm behind you now. You have failed also.
Yes.
And you will continue failing.
Yes.
Say I'll continue failing. Say I'll continue failing. Say I'll continue failing.
I have failed already.
You have failed.
Yes.
Failing. Confirm that you have failed.
Yes.
I have failed.
Yes.
I have failed.
I'm a failure because...
C'est fini and au revoir.
Hey! Oh God, because hey, my husband, because hey, oh no, my husband.
I think you should listen to what she said. And since you're not ready to wait for a good husband to come your way, maybe you should go back to that your useless husband called James.